tutorial on the ROX Sensor RLT6200 radar level transmitter with horn antenna. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and configure your RLT6200 to measure levels for both bulk solids and liquids, with a range of up to 70 meters. Let's dive in. The RLT6200 is a continuous, non-contact radar level transmitter that operates at a frequency of 26 GHz. It's perfect for harsh environments, offering a process temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius and a pressure range from -1 to 40 bar. It's ideal for accurate level measurement, whether in bulk solids or liquids. Let's talk about the user interface. The RLT6200 features a 4-line display, which can show various measurable and status variables. You can configure the display to show exactly what you need, whether it's level, percentage, or mapping data. The operation is simple, with 4 push buttons: escape, up, down, and OK. To power the RLT6200, it operates on a standard 24 VDC power supply. Each button has specific functions. Escape lets you jump to the next menu or interrupt input. OK confirms the menu selection. Up and down let you navigate and edit values, like adjusting the display or settings. The main menu has 10 sections that allow you to adjust various settings. These include Quick Setup, Basic Setup, Display Settings, System, Linearization, Security, Communication, Diagnosis, Information, Record Curve. First, let's begin with the quick setup to set the range. This section is designed for fast and easy setup for most common site conditions. You'll start by setting the minimum and maximum levels. For instance, in the min 0% field, enter the height you want to measure from the bottom of the tank. For the maximum range, keep it at 0. This will give you the correct range for your level measurement. Next, go to Basic Setup to configure additional settings like damping time, dead zones, and more. You can select the type of media you are measuring, whether liquids, solids, or others. You can also adjust the max and min dead zones to fine-tune your measurement accuracy. This is where you can make sure your transmitter is set up properly for your specific tank or application. Now let's configure the display settings. You can choose to display the level in percentage, height, or even a custom mapping. Adjust the contrast and language to your preference for easy readability. This is all done from the display menu. That's a quick overview of how to set up and configure the ROX Sensor RLT6200 radar level transmitter. With its robust features and intuitive setup, it's the perfect solution for accurate and reliable level measurement in challenging environments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more ROX Sensor tutorials.